Welcome everybody to the live video today. I'll be sharing some helpful information on this video. Today I'll be talking about why was my tax refund reduced in 2023 or even in 2022. A lot of people have been asking me this, so I want to make sure you guys that I go over this. Make sure that you share this video out so other people can watch it, okay? Share it out because a lot of people during tax season last year had this question, why was my tax refund reduced? Tax season begins next Monday on the 29th. So I'm going to go ahead and do this video to help you guys out, to get some understanding in case you face this problem, and hopefully you won't, okay? All right, you guys. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to add this back on the screen. And I'm going to go over some important information. For those of you who stick to the end, I'm going to go over some information. The reason why an IRS tax refund could possibly be reduced or delayed, okay? So if you stick to the end, I will share some important information with you guys with that. And also, what can you do if it is delayed or is reduced, okay? So again, stick to the end. Tax season, we know, you guys, is coming up again on the 29th, next Monday. I hope you guys have been planning and prepared for, for tax season. A lot of people, they do not plan for tax season. That's be a lot of their problems. Tax planning, you guys, is very important. A lot of people get their W-2s and they rush and they ready for their refund and they file instantly to get the tax loans. But the people who take advantage throughout the year before tax season and plan do well, you guys, during tax season. So it's very important to do tax planning. That's why I always share that with you guys about tax planning. Now, I do have tax planners available for tax pros and also for taxpayers who want to take advantage of planning during 2024. Okay, I know a lot of you didn't plan through 2023 to prepare for this tax season, but this is a 2024 tax planner that'll help you through this year to next tax season. Okay, it has a full calendar. Just want to share with you guys. And also for those of you who want to get access to booking with me, I have linked all my websites together. Dr. Little Likely, by Grace Tax Services, also the Academy, and also all my books are linked on one website for those of you who are interested in checking that out as well. So I just want you to be aware of that. But it's very important, again, to make sure that you're tax planning before tax season. You guys, very important. For those of you who sign up for my newsletter, you will get a free download and also a free video because, again, tax season is starting when? Monday. So on Sunday evening, if you signed up for my newsletter and it's free, you will have access to a free download to your email and also a free video that'll come exclusively to you, okay? It won't be on my channel. It will be private just for you for now, okay? So take advantage of that. Also, I'm putting the information on the screen how to sign up for the newsletter. You go to the link that I'm putting on the screen to get the free, to sign up for the newsletter, okay, you guys? I got the link down at the bottom of the screen for those of you who are interested in that. I also share discounts, all kind of things in that newsletter for people who want to take advantage. Listen, if you haven't already did that or get the free download, I mean, take advantage. It's great, it's free, and you'll be getting information before anybody else on my channel. I drop it to those people who sign up or subscribe to my newsletter. So take advantage of that, you guys. Also, for those of you who want to text to your phone, the number as well is 1-833-527-0161. You text join for the newsletter. So I want to make sure I went over all of that information you guys, before I got started with everything. And for those, again, who stick to the end, I reward you. If you didn't sign up for the Where Is My Refund group, it's on Facebook. You go to Facebook, you find Dr. Linda Likely, Where Is My Refund group is a private group. You're going to need that during tax season because I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff that's not on my channel on that group. So make sure if you haven't joined my Facebook group, Where Is My Refund? And also you'll be able to post in case you want information on Where Is My Refund. Okay, so join the group, Dr. Linda Likely's Where Is My Refund on Facebook if you haven't already. Now, I'm going to go over the possible reasons, you guys, why tax refunds are reduced and also delayed for those of you who stay until the end with me. So I'm going to go to this right here right now. Why is it reduced and delayed? And I'm going to go over all of that. The main reason it could be, number one, due to fraud. Due to fraud. There's a lot of fraud. People filing fraudulent return. That's why they have the PATH Act. If you do the earned income credit, you know, you can't get access to your money until after the February the 15th, you know, for your refunds. So fraud usually be the first one. Also, people, let me zoom in for this to tell you guys. Those of you who are claiming credits that you shouldn't be claiming, earned income credit. Last year, people did the fuel tax credit. Also, any other credits, employee retention credit. Those of you who filed those credits and you're not eligible for, that's why you're expecting the big refunds that I had on the screen earlier. Some of you be expecting the big refunds and then you don't see it. It be reduced. It's because you guys that you're not eligible for that refund. And a lot of people think that they can just put it on that tax refund, their tax return, and they think that they automatically can get that $5,835. This is just an example. Because I heard this last tax season from a lot of people who refund was reduced and it was delayed, you guys. So I'm going over here for information to help you during this tax season so it won't be, okay? So this is an example, $5,835. You're expecting a refund. But a lot of people either got zero or they reduced a lot. And that's why I said tax refund sent that you see, okay? And number one, like I said, fraud. Claiming credits, number two, you're not eligible for. Which leads me to another one that people don't know. Tax offsets. Tax offset. You might have a tax offset and you owe the IRS and then you never call or check the number. And that's why I'm putting the number on the screen. I did it last tax season, you guys. Let me increase my screen once again so I can go over stuff on irs.gov about the reduction. Topic number, hold on, you guys. Okay, let me scroll down. Now, this is why it could be delayed. Also, I'm going to give you a lot more. Tax offset that I said, past due child support. You can be tax offset. You owe. Federal agency non-tax debts. State income tax obligations are certain unemployment compensation debts owed to the state. Compensation paid to you due to fraud. If you did a fraud return and compensation was paid to you and you were not eligible for it because you claimed those credit or you did something you shouldn't be doing, then the IRS is going to take that money back. A lot of people filed that employee retention credit that I went over doing tax refund updates 2023 when I was giving out updates, and they were not eligible for it. Well, if you were not eligible for those credits, you're gonna have to pay it back, which lead to why some of you, not all of you, but some of you who were not eligible for the credits, who did fraud, who did things that you weren't supposed to do, then your refund could be reduced. Contributions on to a state fund that wasn't paid. Okay, you guys, so this is a list, and I'm gonna go over actually some more with you guys. The reason why that I noticed last year a lot of returns were delayed. You had wrong information. Either you or your tax preparer put in the wrong information and it doesn't match up with things. So that's why it could be delayed or your refund could be reduced. Okay, we know the earned income credit for a child is the age lasts all the way to 17, right? Okay, let's say that you put that child was not 17, it was 18, and you got more money. Okay, some people do that, and it end up, that's why it be delayed or reduced. I'm just giving you examples. Putting in the wrong bank account number. Some of you guys put in, and I'm gonna stress this, the wrong bank account number, the wrong routing number. That could affect the reason why it was delayed. Okay, that wasn't reduced, but the reason why it was delayed. Also, missing information, and the IRS put you in review. I had review letters down in the description of the video, and I might have it down. So click the link in the description of this video to make sure that I have review letters so you can download to help you during tax season as well. You guys, a lot of people put in wrong information, missing information, and the IRS had to go back and review your tax return. And a lot of people thought, well, I'm stuck in the error department because it's missing information. You call the IRS, they're going to say, I don't know what you're talking about. We don't have an error department, but you know what I'm saying. You're stuck in review because it's missing information or you put in the wrong information. And the IRS sends you a letter. They're going to send you a letter saying that they need more information. And you have to respond if they ask for more information. Now, if they ask during tax season, send you a letter and you don't have to do nothing, it's just a simple error, math error. The IRS can correct them, okay? But some of you guys, it's a simple error, y'all get scared, so y'all amend those tax returns and y'all wonder, you think amended returns gonna come back to you quick. And no, they're not. Last year was up to 16 weeks. Then they moved it to 20 weeks. And then a lot of people was telling me on my channel, they sending me letters 120 weeks. And then they'll send them another 60 days or another 120 weeks. Make sure you're careful during this tax season. That's why I am doing this video, okay? All right, so be mindful of that. Those of you who are sign up for the newsletter, that for the free download and for the free video on Sunday, I will give you guys more information because tax season is going to open up on that Monday. Okay, so y'all get a little bit more from me. Also, suspicious activity by banks. Banks were saying something is suspicious about this, so your refund be sent back to the IRS and is on hold, and a lot of you don't know what happened. I don't know what happened to it. Well, the IRS has listed all of this stuff on irs.gov on reduced refunds and why refunds could possibly be delayed. So make sure during tax season that you are patient and you take your time, and a lot of you have tax plan, okay? Don't get in a rush that you miss some important documents that you need because we can't retract them. I told you guys the IRS said that we cannot retract back tax returns this tax season. You can't. If you filed early and you receive a document and you say, oh, let me tell Ms. Likely to let me contact the people for it open. No, I cannot contact the IRS. I cannot get that return back. It's sent. So that's going to force you to have to amend that tax return. So be patient and wait. And I've been telling you guys that since the beginning of this month. Don't be in such a rush. And even in 2023 in December on my last videos, I was telling you that. Okay? If the IRS needs to contact you, they will do so by mail. If people send you an email saying they from the IRS, it's a scam. Do not click on that email, you guys. Wait to see if the IRS send you a letter in the mail. That's what they do. Don't go by emails, okay, and get scammed by somebody getting your information. If you feel like something is wrong with what the IRS says, again, with the review letters, you got to respond even if you disagree. Also, you can contact the IRS. Contact the IRS during tax season, and they can help you if they're not busy. We know every year it's hard to get sometimes to get the IRS, okay? Also, a taxpayer advocate. Go to a taxpayer advocate and speak to them. And I always share the number during tax season and speak to them. If you did not receive your full refund or it was reduced, you can say, you know, a hardship, file for hardship. If you have a hardship and they got to prove that it's a hardship, you got to prove it. And they got to verify it for you to be approved in case you want, you know, to get your return. Okay, I'm just letting you guys know all that information. Now, again, on the 29th, tax season will officially open. For those of you who want to schedule appointments with me, you guys, for those of you who want to schedule an appointment with me, this is the portal. This is the portal that you schedule to, and I'm only taking scheduled appointment. If you are later than 15 minutes, it's an automatic reschedule. Okay, if I don't hear anything, you know, if I hear something from you, then I will. But if I don't, it's going to be rescheduled. Okay, you guys. So make sure that you, if you book appointment, that you do. When you schedule, again, you're going to have a portal that's going to look like this on your end after you create an account and book appointment, so you can share documents, upload, and even contact me on the live portal. A lot of stuff you can do and pay. Those of you who may owe, you can pay on the live portal too before I do your tax return or complete it. Okay? Or maybe you just want to pay up front. Also, you guys, go over this. I have the tax refund and payment options, direct deposit, faster money, discover, prepaid card up to 4 days early if you choose that tax option, the printed check, and also, again, you can make a payment right on the live portal. Okay, it's very easy, you guys, for you to just navigate through that. Also, the preseason loan is going to be ended, and the refund advance loans are going to be available during tax season. So when it opens up on Monday, the refund advance loans up to $6,000 is available for those who are interested. For those of you who haven't already, you guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I upload videos weekly or go live, giving you the new tax refund updates through tax season. I did it last year. Also, you can subscribe to By Grace Tax Service LLC. That's down below this video, below on my channel. For those of you who are interested, you guys, By Grace Tax Services LLC is actually my business, so you can subscribe to that channel as well. Hopefully, all this information that I went over give you the reason why, that help you understand why that your refund was delayed or it was reduced, and what can help you if it is reduced. Make sure you always reach out to the IRS. And one more thing, your tax professional. Make sure you choose your tax preparer wisely. You guys, that could be, if it's taken, always check with your tax preparer to see what's going on, if she or he prepared your refund, so that you can understand why it was reduced by so much money. You guys, there's another reason, and I'm glad I shared that with you guys. I almost had forgot it, but make sure again that you Choose your tax preparer wisely. I'm looking forward, you guys, to an awesome tax season. You guys, and hopefully you'll have all your information and you'll be ready. You did your tax planning. You are ready to file your return. Don't forget about the newsletter, you guys. Don't forget about the newsletter. Sign up for it, you guys, and then you'll be able to get information from me. And I'm going to put the link again down on this video. Sign up for the newsletter. That's the link that I'm putting down there. When you sign up for that, you'll get a free download if you haven't already. Got their free download of tax season to help you navigate tax season. And also you'll be access to a free video on Sunday. On Sunday, it's just for those who subscribe to that newsletter. It's not going to be dropping. You guys, if it is on my channel, it will be private. Okay, so I'm just giving you a heads up. Okay, hope y'all have a great day.